Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids. It is time again to play one of the last games of Enlisted before I transition to Star Citizen. Yes, I was wondering what new games I wanted to play. I don't know if Star Citizen is dead or not, but it's definitely expensive. That's for sure. So, if you're seeing this and you have tried Star Citizen in the current century, that is, then let me know. Perhaps I should take some other action game, but I think Star Citizen could be a good contender. Anyways, let's try if we still like this. We are playing any game, of course. So what do we got here? Is that Germans? Oh yes, I cannot get the Nebelwerfer. Oh, look at this. The lag. Let's go on top here. Yes, I remember now.
Smettila di sparare, è uno dei nostri!
Our team started capturing a control point. Excellent. Move out to the next control point.
Oh,
L'ho ferito!
oh. Got the fucking bastard.
Crepa, bastardo!
there nobody playing here or what?
Our forces are in position.
Sie haben mich erwischt!
We've captured the control point. Move out to the next one.
Verdammt, bei mir ist Ebbe! Lade nach! Gib auf! Stirb, Herr, ich will unser sein! Our forces are taking the control point. Ich brauche Deckung! Lade nach!
Our men are capturing the position.
Ay. What do I got? 350 kilograms. Air brake, I don't remember where this. Can't see anyone. Where they're shooting at.
Achtung, die beiden Leichter! Und tatsächlich an!
Our boys are capturing the position.
Ooh.
Still English!
Oh. Final strafing gear. Oh. Scheißen deze, ne? Oh. What the? What? Say what?
We've captured half the control points. Well done, boys. Our forces are taking the control point.
Ricarico!
There's just one position left. Keep the pressure on.
Oh. Oh. Oh!
Ow! Did you?
Our team started capturing a control point.
Mann! Bleib einfach unten!
That's a little bit of overkill, huh?
Broken through the enemy's defenses. We won.
Yay! Second last. Or ninth best. Yeah. I don't know. I have my doubts if I should continue or not. Yeah. Let's see, research. It's a tank. I cannot get this Sturmpistol before like forever. Somewhere around here, huh? So I don't know why I have researched it. Yeah. Yeah. So let's try one more game. Otherwise, I think Star Citizen is going to be my favorite, new favorite go-to. Well, I got a very addictive personality, so I can say it already. It's gonna be a favorite for a while, just like this. But the other one is pretty pricey now. It's 700, no, not 700, it's $70. But it's a one-time payment, and I easily have spent that on the other games.
Никакой пощады!
Our team is at control point Alpha. The enemy is capturing control point Delta. We've taken control point Alpha. The enemy is taking control point Delta. The enemy's taking control point Bravo. Enemies are attacking control point Echo. Our team is at control point Charlie.
Never mind.
We've captured Bravo. The enemy is captured. Control point Echo. Control point Charlie is ours.
Unbelievable, nobody's scouting, huh? There's no much point in this.
Control point Delta is under our control.
Я ранен! Они попали в нашего!
Ah! Yes. And I still got my oh, there's a gun. Come on, scout, god damn it. tank. Motorcycle.
We hold all the control points. Keep it up. We've lost control point Delta. We've captured Charlie.
There was a tank there, but we lost the scouting. To speed.
The enemy has lost half of its reinforcements. Keep it up.
Didn't see any, but we're gonna attack from the other side. Just shoot randomly in front of the building. That's a good place for catch and cut. Ooh. Lost control of the aircraft. There, to the point D.
Control point Echo is ours.
Oh, come on, baby, recover! Too much speed.
Control point Charlie has been lost.
Okay. That was pretty boring. So we've got a little bit of running to do here.
The enemy has captured control point Delta.
Yeah.
We've taken control point Charlie.
Сарадину!
Oh, god damn it!
We've captured all control.
No! Where's the enemy?
We hold all the control points. Keep it up. We've almost reached the finish line.
Oh! It's up on the... It's up on the church tower there. I'm alone.
We've taken
We are progressing. I was last. So, yes. I think I'm gonna try Star Citizen. I don't know. Is COD a thing anymore, or it's like a strategic game? I was a little bit tired of playing Civilization, primarily after that last update, the second last or third last one, where they came with that shitty religion shit. Yeah, so old man looking for a new game. Can I upgrade something here? What do I want? Oh, we definitely... Can we take this? Yeah. Thank you. And what then? I can't even remember. It was that one. I think battle. This one. Squad. And I can press. What could I press? There. Change soldiers. And I can enlist, and I can take that one, and I will have this one. Yes, please. Close, and like that. Now I got this one, and I can exchange it with that one. And that's a Masson. machine gun. The Mason is actually the Danish one. We're gonna purchase one. And we are gonna give him one. And we are going to go RD smoke grenade. Yeah, we need something with an oomph. Something like that. We're gonna give him this. And a flask. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just if we need it. Or inventory. Medkit. Of course. Mine, no. Knife. We want a shovel. So we can dig holes. You can actually dig holes here. So let's see. What about this guy? Do we have any mines? Not yet. Let him take something like that. And so can he. Huh? Something like that. Yes. And we can take, I don't know. Should we just exchange one of the good guys with this poor bastard? No. Oh yeah, he of course can go there. On perks, definitely want to throw hand grenades far as possible, and quick to turn around because he has a machine gun. I don't know if that was correct. We want to put out fires, and we want to go to prone, or what that was called, and stamina regeneration and holding breath. Yes, when aiming. And that was basically it for the day. So it's still touch and go playing that game. So, moin.